Sarah here from GracieMySpace.com. Today, we are going to transition my dining room from fall decor to the holidays. We celebrate Christmas in my family, but whether you do or not, you can use this beautiful tablescape that I'm going to show you how to put together for your holiday entertaining, and it's going to be simple but elegant, and it's going to be a little bit fancier than my fall tablescape setup that we did last month. All right, now we have everything cleared away. We have a nice, very simple tablecloth that it's been ironed. It's been ironed multiple times. I steamed it, I ironed it, and now we're calling it good. So I'm going to use this really beautiful marble cheese board, and I'm going to put it right in the center. I'm going to start by adding this really pretty, simple white garland, run it down the table. And what we're going to do is pull out each individual stem or branch as far as it will go, going kind of like every other, so that you have some branches on each side of the table going up and down. Now I won't always do this. Sometimes I just leave it in the center, but I have things that I want to go on the table, and so this is going to really make one garland go a lot further in the way that it fills the table. All right, see how that really spreads out the impact that this one single garland has across the whole table, and then we're gonna fill it in. Next I have this bundle. We've got 3 separate stems and they're really drapey. It adds a pop of color. We're doing white, silver, and gold on this. And with a little bush like this, you could either cut off each individual stem and place it, or you can just pull it apart a bit to spread out the tentacles. That's kind of what they look like. And keep it in one piece. So I'm just going to kind of place it so that it splays out over the table. One of the biggest mistakes that people tend to make with faux is not doing this. A lot of people keep it together in one chunk, but it goes a lot further and you have to buy less if you use the wire to bend it out. Then I'm going to hide that stem with the other pieces. Now at this point I'm going to put our focal point, because then I need to build around it. I don't put it earlier because I want to be able to put all of this on the table first, and then we add just a really simple grouping of stems. When you have a large number of the exact same stem, it makes a really big impact, makes it look really full. And it's a really easy way to do a floral centerpiece if you do not have floral bouquet making skills, which I do not. When I try to piece together a lot of different looking flowers, it looks really weird and dumb. But when I can do this, it makes it very simple. Remember, bend your stems. It'll give it a little bit more of a lifelike look. I think that every holiday table needs a little glow. So I'm going to add these really pretty votive holders. Got 2 for each side within the greenery. And that is going to really pick up all the glitter in these pieces and make it even more glowy. All right, I've got a little deer to add to my centerpiece here. Got a couple to put on the shelf. And then I like to layer in other kinds of garlands. They don't have to be greenery, but this just will add a little bit of shine, sparkle, and it's a pretty touch. And then the final piece is going to be adding in these picks. They're really fun. They kind of look like thistles a little bit. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty. So we're going to just pop them into the greenery, and it's going to be really glowy. I will specifically put them around the candles so that the candles can illuminate that glitter and shine that they have. And really good placement around the centerpiece so that that's highlighted too. Look how pretty these are. And then for the final touch, we've got really pretty placemats that are gonna add even more of that shimmer and shine. And some disposable plates because that's how I roll for holiday get-togethers. But just because they're disposable doesn't mean that they don't look pretty. And there we have it, Christmas, holiday, entertaining tablescape decor, whatever you want to call it, it's pretty. It glows, it's magical, it's cozy, it's elegant, and it was really easy to put together. So you can have a table that looks like this or something similar using the items you already have at home. You can do it in 15 minutes and your guests are gonna be like, whoa, you must have spent hours. But really, it's just about piecing together specific elements using good color schemes, keeping it pretty simple as far as the trinkety stuff goes, and using mostly things that have the glitter, the glow, the metallic elements. They really elevate a table and the way that it looks and make it look like $1,000,000. One of the really easy tips I have for you today is go with metallic colors, gold, silver, copper. If you're looking for something that feels really elegant, those metallic tones really heighten a space. They reflect really well if you're using candles or if you have soft lighting, and it makes the whole room glow, and it's so magical. I obviously went with gold, silver, white. I would love to know in the comments what you guys are doing for your color scheme this holiday season. Drop it in the comments, and maybe everybody can get some inspiration from each other. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Make sure and hit that notification button, subscribe to the channel for more to come, and I'll see you next time.